Okay, so in the background you can see the orchid farm sign, and literally across the road, less than 200 metres away, we have arrived at the bird park. So this is an open air bird park. You can see the nets are the only thing keeping them, not in cages, so it's as friendly as it can be for the area. What we're going to do is we're going to go into here. It's actually 90 ringgit, so it's about £18 to get in per ticket per adult. But we've made the journey out here. I don't think it's excessive. I'm just going to go and buy some tickets and then we'll make our way into the bird park and I'll give you some footage as we get in there. There's the entrance, a little bit of a waterfall with some flamingos. And there's Helen just checking out the board, so we're just going to buy some tickets. They reckon it takes about 2 hours to walk around the park if you follow each of the tracks. So that's us inside now. Greeted with a couple of parrots. And they're just really strict about making sure that one door's shut before you open the other door, so obviously no birds get out. Okay. I know Helen's a big fan of flamingos, so I think we're going to head down towards there, and if I do see anything really nice, then I'll just pop some clips back on for you. There's the peacock that's resting. Waiting for his dinner. Let's see how many of these we can spot on the way around today. They're told apparently that bluebird in front there spreads itself like that to keep cool, and then what it does is it rolls in the mud. It just tries to stay as still as possible to cool down. Just stayed a little bit quieter there because the birds are asleep, but look at the beautiful owls. Absolutely stunning. And this chap on the perch here. Amazing. Of ostriches just too hot to do anything. Move around a bit more. Also noticing the bird park, there's quite a few monkeys around. A wee mother and baby.
It's a baby monkey. It's a baby monkey.
I think as long as you're fairly quiet, they're quite tame, aren't they? I think I've got a friend. This one keeps following me. More water birds. So we've got hornbills. There you go. I'm sure we can recognise a couple we've already seen on there. Ibis, heron, egret. If I can very quickly get down to this peacock, I'm going to take a picture. He's in full bloom for you. Hopefully you can see that peacock fully open. So I think it's definitely worth a visit to the bird park. It's clean, they're well looked after. People tend to just take a time around it. But yeah, definitely pop yourself out to the bird park. It's a lovely place to come. Without doubt the most colourful birds that I've seen. Okay, so that's just made its way down to the flamingo park. And there we go. Alan will be pleased. Again, they had a lovely area to stay in. I just can't believe how many peacocks are around. They are everywhere. Okay. I don't think there's too much more to see in the park, but we're going to take a very quick 5 minutes back up towards the top, grab a drink and see if there's anything left to do. So I hope you've enjoyed the bird park, because we certainly have. To the side of you. Okay, so we've made our way to one of the last areas of the park now, and this is the parrot section and Laura Key. Let's have a very cool. I think the parrots are one of my favourite birds. Oh, he's lovely. Oh, yeah, really nice fella. There's a little feeding point just over here where the kids can hold them with milk. Yeah, it seems to be a lot of fun. Okay, KL Bird Park, you've been a lot of fun. And I would advise anybody that's in KLCC, definitely come down to the Gale Bird Park. So off into Chinatown next. It's time for some food. I think we've been out now probably 5 hours, 5-6 hours, and at the bird park for at least 2 of those. I'll catch up with you once we get back into Chinatown, but I hope you've enjoyed today. I'll probably put this up as a separate video to the bird park as well, because I've done lots of different videos for this area. So yeah, I think if I put this up as a separate one as well as a group one for an itinerary, that's what we'll do. Okay.